I can't do that. What you want me to do? No? Let's go crazy. Hey.
No, Dad. No, Daddy.
What? That's what I was doing.
No, Dad.
Oh.
Daddy,
yes.
take it. No, Daddy.
Not like that. What you doing? Oh my God, let me fix my.
So we got a vacation coming up pretty soon.
Yeah.
It's been a long time.
Oh, I got all this grease on my face.
Rub it in. You really do, actually. You put too much. So anyway, we've never actually taken a vacation since Jenny was born. And the one leaving her over at your mom's, that's really not a vacation. Seeing her for a little bit.
Oh, it's been a long time coming.
This big time vacation. Without her for the first time too. I feel bad. She'll question us one time in life. She'll be like, "You just left me."
Hold on, where was I at? I know I was already born. 2019. Well, I was like 3 almost. I was almost 3.
I know. But yeah, so we're about to go do a little bit of shopping for that.
All right.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. It's closed? Oh, how about to say. It is dead. It's a Thursday. It's like 11 o'clock.
So I'm gonna pick some of mine.
All right, so look, this is what I got right here. See, she don't know this. I'm the fashionista of the family. You know what I'm saying? So this is already a nice little bottom set. You feel me? Don't worry, I'm gonna find a top. It's gonna be nice. Don't worry.
Well. Okay then.
That's how you feel?
Oh yeah, I like this.
She about to be you about to just go to the beach. You about to be looking like Big Bird. You about to be looking like a Chiquita banana. It's alright. I see. Yellow's in though. Yellow is in. All this yellow.
They're heavy though. I want some light. Oh, I like this one. I just want to be a bird, huh?
I see.
The attention-catching color.
And we looking like a number 2 pencil.
Like orange is fire, yellow in me. Me in yellow.
Oh, this is nice. I like this little top. You feel me? This is organic. You feel me? Nice color wheel. And with these pants, oh, that's hard. That's tough. I'm gonna find something for that later though.
How many done?
I gotta do 3.
With me.
Gotta do 7. Alright, that's your little right here. Are you gonna start with yours?
I'll start with mine. It's
Okay.
only 2. How many did you get?
I got 3.
Okay. I'm starting.
Alright, she gonna start with hers.
I'm standing here.
She gonna start with hers because hers is, you know what I'm saying, you start with the least. You know what I mean? You save the best for last. Exactly. Okay, go. And walk this way. Alright, so that's number 1. That's how you feel? Alright. That's a no for me, though. It's gonna be a no for me. It's gonna be a no for me. I like. Yeah, I'm saying yeah. Cause, ooh, who picked that up? Oh, you watch yourself. Oh, who picked it up? What's wrong with it? Like it. Yes. Look at the mamas. You looking like a African goddess, you. Ooh. Look at you.
Oh, it's see-through.
It's see-through? Oh, whoa. Alright, never mind then. Never mind. It's a no for me. No, I like it. I like it though. That's it. Girl, you gonna start twerking?
I like it's makeup. You gotta get like the inside smaller.
Yeah, I like that. Who picked that out of?
Why? I told you to look the
I
price
picked
for
this
me.
out. I picked this one out too. I just got that good taste, you know what I'm saying? You should be happy. You should be happy. Most husbands ain't got good taste, you know what I'm saying? She feeling herself now. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Ooh. Ooh, let me see. Let me see. Turn around. Ooh, turn back around. Ooh, turn around again and again. Nah, that's nice though. Okay. Alright, you got a little taste. You got a little fashion. And we out. Slight difference. Same much. Oh nah, that's not what I'm trying to go for. What? Oh hell no.
Holding that, that's holding that.
It's art, man.
What? From where?
It's African art.
The
Look,
African.
it is African art. Oh my goodness.
What happened? Oh!
Oh,
It's a
and-
baby.
she feeding the baby.
What's happening?
Grandma titties.
This is not just even grandma titties. Hey! Oh, mama.
What's this?
Oh, now I got it.
Oh, so
I
they're
see.
helping each other.
Yeah, they helping each other. His head. Yeah, okay, makes sense. I see. I thought the head was coming off the
Oh, what else we got?
Look at that. That's banging. That is like what? Red carpet type of outfit.
Yeah, you can wear that right now.
But yeah, look at this person. So this is the African shit that you only find in Maasai only. Like this is their culture. They live for this every day, and somebody's here making money off of it. What about the person who actually made it? How much they got?
Talk about it. Talk about it. What you think? What you think? Oh yeah, I like that.